Service is the only best approach to building a better world. The only way to attain greatness is through service. True fulfillment can be attained in service. True purpose can only be found in service. The highest form of human expression can be found in service. True power of service depends on its ability to change lives positively. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.